What is that?
Welcome to my arena. Who are you? Oh, I'm just a friend. Call me the master of games.
Yo, unless that Gamescom video was a sack and a half.
But you haven't yet heard my offer. I have traveled throughout the multiverse in search of one thing.
A smaller forehead?
The greatest version of every hero.
What do you mean, version?
You might be Team Sonic of this Mobius.
There are
Actually, infinite Mobiuses.
and each one is different.
Oh, I get it. Here, we're heroes. And on another Earth, we might be villains, or robots, or medieval knights.
Ooh, is there a Mobius that we're all actually robots?
No, those don't exist.
Ooh, is there a universe that we're in like a big city and we all have hoverboards and with goggles? Oh yeah, hoverboards and goggles. Yeah, I think I remember that. I bet there's a universe where we still be that forever.
No.
I got one.
Ooh, how about a universe where we're all real animals, not just almost look like humankind, all real animals. Yo, I could do that all day. Okay, I'll be like a real echidna. Tails could be like a real fox, but with two tails. And Amy could be a real hedgehog, and also Sonic. And Blade should be like a real cat.
What about an Earth where you became great heroes? But beloved by all.
There's basically 0% chance an Earth like that exists, bro.
That remains to be seen. This is the Warlock. This marvelous artifact shows me every possibility. It allows me to determine which is the greatest version of every hero. Through combat.
You want us to fight an alternate version of ourselves?
Ooh, is it the robot versions of us? Or those guys with the boards and those goggles?
Whichever version it is, they won't stand a chance against us. One thing? No. One thing? I just said no. Oh, one thing. Why do you keep saying one thing?
Because Sonic.
You've already met.
Hasn't we seen them before?
Their Sonic is so handsome.
Look at those guys.
So normal. And such clean hands.
Would you like to battle
These other yous.
and prove that you're just as good as they are? More than anything.
Very well, Team Sonic.
Thanks your challenges.
Team Sonic.